Hello, kids. Last week we learned about letter Q and R. Okay, who among you here can remember the sound of letter Q? Anyone? All right, the sound of letter Q is Q. And how about the letter R? What is the initial sound of letter R? Anyone? It's Good job. Now this morning, I want you to listen again the sounds of the letters from A to letter R. Okay?
A, A, B, B, D, D, E, E, G, G, E, E, J, J, O, O, N, 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 A, A, Qu, Qu, S, S, T, T, A, A, V, V, W, W, X, X, Y, Y, Z, Z.
Let's try to review our lesson last week. Okay, may I see if you can still remember? What are these letters? What is the initial letter sound of these pictures? Okay, this is question mark. Question mark. And this is queen. Queen. Give me your answer. Okay, give me the initial letter sound of these two pictures. This is rainbow. Rainbow. And this is robot. Robot. Okay, do you have your answer already? Okay, I hope so, kids. Today we will learn about the initial letter sound of S and T. Who among you here wants to sing a song? We will sing the sound of the letters S and T. Okay, you can sing along, kids. The T says t. Every letter make a sound. The T says t. This is letter S, upper S, and lower S. It makes s sound. S sound. Can you say s? Very good. S. Learn today the feature and the word that start with letter S. Let's say it together for 3 times. Are you ready? S. 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 6. 6 start with letter S. S. 6. This is 7. 7 start with letter S. 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 7. S. It starts with letter S. S. 7. This is a sun. Sun start with letter S. As in S. 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 Sun. Sun. Let's write upper S and lower S and upper T and lower T. Okay, let's let's know how to write upper S and lower S. You can follow after me, kids, okay? I will get my pen. Okay, this is how to write. Curve back to the left. Curve forward all the way and stop. That's upper S. Let's go to lower S. Curve back to the left. Curve forward all the way and stop. That's how to write lower S. All right, let's practice writing upper S and lower S, kids. Okay, curve back to the left and curve forward all the way and stop. That's upper S. Let's go to lower S. Curve back to the left and curve forward all the way and stop. Let's write one more time, kids. Curve back to the left and curve forward all the way and stop. Okay, lower S. Curve back to the left and curve forward all the way and stop. That's lower S. All right. You know already how to write upper and lower S? Okay, keep on practicing writing upper S, lower S, and upper S, kids, nah? Okay. This is letter T. Upper T and lower T. It makes T sound. Can you say T? Very good. One more time, please. T. Can you say it 3 times? Ready? T. 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 Good job. Thank you. Let's say T for 3 times. Ready? T. 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 Toothbrush. T. Toothbrush. This is a toothbrush. Toothbrush start with letter T, as in T. Toothbrush. This is a tiger. Tiger start with letter T. It makes T sound, as in tiger. Let's say it together for 3 times. T. 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 Tiger. Tiger. All right, let's write upper T and lower T. I will get my pen here. Okay, you can follow after me. You can get your pencil there if you have, and then your paper also, so that you can practice. You can follow. Okay, ready? What you're gonna do is you're going to pull down straight. Okay, going down, and then go back to the top, and then slide to the right. That's upper T. Let's go to lower T. The same. What you're gonna do, you're gonna pull down straight, and then you go in the middle here. All right, and then slide to the right. That's how easy to write upper T and lower T, okay? Now let's practice writing upper T and lower T, kids. Okay, get your pen and your pencil and your paper. Let's write now. All right, let's start. Upper T. Pull down straight. Go back to the top and slide to the right. That's upper T. Now let's move on to lower T. Pull down straight. Go in the middle. I mean this line here. I mean this part. And then slide to the right. Very easy, right? Now let's write one more time. Upper T and lower T. Ready? Pull down straight. Go back to the top. And slide to the right. Okay, let's go to lower T. Pull down straight. And then slide to the right in the middle. That's lower T. Okay, keep on practicing upper and lower T, kids. Write it on the paper. Let's have a short test, kids. May I see if you really got something from our lesson? Letters S and T. Be ready. All right, number 1. Which letter begins with this picture? 6. Is it S? Or is it T? T? Or letter T? Choose your answer. The answer is S. Very good. It's S. 6. Can follow and repeat, kids. 6. 6. Very good. All right, let's go to number 2. Sun. Sun. Is it S or is it T? T? Choose your answer, kids. Is it S or is it T? T? Sun. Do you have your answer already? Let's see if your answer is correct. The answer is S, as in sun. Can you say sun? Good job. S, sun. Very good. Number 3. Which letter begins with this picture? Toothbrush. Can you say toothbrush? Ready? Toothbrush. Is it S or is it T? T? One more time. Is it S or is it T? T? Choose your answer, kids. The answer is T. T. Toothbrush. Toothbrush. Thank you so much, kids. Number 4. Which letter begins with this picture? Tiger. Tiger. Is it S or is it T? T? One more time. Tiger. Tiger. Is it S or is it T? T? Choose your answer, kids. All right, the answer is T. T. Tiger. Tiger. Very good. Number 5. Listen and choose the picture. T. T. 7. Toothbrush. 7. Toothbrush. Which of these pictures start with letter T? 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 Do you have your answer already? Let's see. If you answer this picture, kids, you are correct. This is toothbrush. T. Toothbrush. Thank you. Number 6. You choose these pictures here, okay? T. 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 Is it sun or is it tiger? Sun or tiger? T. Choose your answer. The answer is, what is this? Tiger. Good job. It start with t, t, tiger. Thank you so much, kids. Very good. Okay, let's wrap up, kids. Let's try if you really get something from our lesson. What are these letters? Just give me the letters. Name of this letter. Okay, you can answer by yourself, kids. What sound of this letter? What sound of this letter? S. What is the sound of this letter? How about this letter? What sound of this letter? What is the initial letter sound of these pictures? 6. Sun. 7. I will read it again. 6. Sun. 7. It's letter S. It's letter S. Very good. What is the initial letter sound of these pictures? I will read it for you so that you can answer. Tiger. Tiger. Toothbrush. 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 Okay, give me your answer, kids. The answer is T. T. It's letter T. T. As in toothbrush. And T. Tiger. You have to remember it, kids. So, do you have any questions about our lesson for today? So, if there is none, then we will go to our worksheet. I want you to answer your worksheet. Okay, the first thing you're gonna do here, you're going to trace the upper and lower letters S and T. You can see here, and you know already how to write, right? Here, you trace 3 times. Letter S, you trace 3 times. Oh, yeah, I think 3 times only. 1. And then here also 2. And then here, oh, sorry, 3. Just only 3 times each letter, okay? Here also the lower S 3 times. You know already how to write, right? Okay, I will not write for you. And also the letter T. You know already how to write. And the lower T. Just only write 3 times. Okay? Now the next here is color the picture that begins with the letter S and T. Okay, you're going to color. Okay, I will read for you and then I will read the pictures and then prepare your colors. Then if you hear the sound S and T here, sounds, remember the S? And the letter T is T. If you hear that sound, that sounds, you are going to color the picture, okay? Now let's start from here. This one is sun. Sun. Next picture. Tiger. Tiger. Next. 7. 7. Next. 6. 6. And the last picture. Toothbrush. Toothbrush. Okay, you can color now, kids. Color the picture that begins with letter S and T, as in S and T. Okay? Now the next part is the speaking time. Same as we do all the time. I want you to choose your partner. You get your partner there in your home. Whoever you can, ask to be your partner. It's up to you there. So you're just only ask each other using this sentence here. What's this? And they are going to answer it is by using these pictures that we had learned today. Okay? 7. Remember 7? What's this? The other one will say, it's 7. What's this? It's a tiger. What's this? It's 6. What's this? It's a sun. What's this? It's a toothbrush. Okay, that's it, kids. You just keep on practicing using that what's this. Okay? Okay, so that you can practice your speaking. All right. Thank you so much, kids, for your participation. Okay? Just do your worksheet and I will you can give it to your homeroom teacher and I will take it to check next time. Okay? So, any question, kids? If there is none, then teacher Bit will say goodbye. See you again next time.